Hello, and welcome back to The Broken Doll. And tonight I come to you with Shirley Temple, and we're going to blush your face today. This is the first step. So what have I done so far? I've taken some of my red here. It's called Brilliant Red. And I've thinned it down with some paint thinner here, okay? Now this is from Michael's. So is the paint from Michael's. It's oil paint. I'm using oil paint on her. Okay, so I've thinned it down, and now I'm just taking all the chunkies out. Okay, just keeping it. If I see any chunkies, I just kind of rub them out. Which is what I think I'm going to do the next time when I mix up my paint. I'm going to thin it down into a little cup like this and then pour it in. And I may not have those problems like I did the last time. I never had that before. I always done so well, but anyhow, let's not go backwards. We're going forwards here. Okay. So you can see it's very soupy, very soupy. You know, it's just it won't even sit on the drip off the brush. It's just it is. It's very liquidy in there. Okay, can't get it to fall off the brush. There it is. It's like absorbed into the brush, but it is. It's very soupy. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this and pour it into my gun, my blushing gun. Ah, come on. Got this all twisted here. Should have had that ready. All right. So we're going to pull off the lid here. Now I put a bathing cap on her because this is where I want to do her blushing. It's right in the apple of her cheek in here. I don't want it to spread to anything else, so that's why I put it right here. To the person who's really good at this, would not have to do this. Somebody like me, we do. So I'm going to pour some in here. There we go, just a little bit. All right. Put my lid down. We're going to turn it on. Well, I guess maybe we're not plugged in. So let's go back and see. I thought we were plugged in. Don't fall or anything. Let's go back and see. Maybe I'm not plugged in, which I thought I was. And I don't think I is. No, I'm not plugged in. Sitting up there looking like it was, but in there. There we go. All right. Got in there. All right. Now we're doing good. Let me put my lids back on everything so nothing spills. Okay, nothing gets squeezed out. Nothing falls over and spills. All right, we're going to put this back here. Now we got our gun. And now we're ready. Whoop, turn it on. All right. So because it's just a little, I'm not going to put a background on it. But anyways, I'm holding my gun away and let's go for it. Well, that looks so nice, doesn't it? Okay, I'm going to leave that like that. Now I'm going to wipe where the ears are. Don't want it all in there. That was good. I don't mind a little bit of red around the ears. It kind of gives a life. Okay, so there we go. I have one cheek done, but I'm also looking at, I see it also, this is where I fear all the time. It's right around the mouth area. I didn't want it up here. So we're going to wipe that off. I'm going to get some things here to do some wiping with. Better things to wipe with. Okay, hang on a second here. All right, I need some stuff here to wipe with. Let's get this here. Oh, there we go. Got some Q-tips here. Q-tips to the rescue. Ear swabs, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if this worked with having the hat on her or not. Maybe I'm just maybe it's my fear coming out. So we'll get a little bit of I'm going to dip this into some paint thinner, just a little bit, so that I can get a clean one. We'll just dip it into some paint thinner here. There we go. Okay, and just come up here and get some of that off. Just in areas where we don't want it to be right now. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. Oh, I don't want to get that where... Shoot. See where I kind of... Okay. Oh, I'm going to have to take it off. I mumble-jumbled it up. Okay, let's start again. If at first you don't succeed, what do? You try again. Let's try it again and take this off. And you're going to use your paint thinner to take it off with. It's oil paint. Let's do this again. Okay, do this again. Do it again. Do it. Play it again, Sam. Oh. Thought I nailed it. I thought with putting the hat on that would help, but I see now it was more of a detriment, which I'm glad I tried it. You know, I tried these kooky little things to see if maybe that worked, but it didn't. So, let's do it again without the hat. I think I will do better, maybe without it. I thought if I just showed the area, didn't work. Okay, so let's try it again. Delayed reaction there. Okay, so I'm holding it away. I'm trying to stay away from any other area except where the cheek level is. Oh, I just get it everywhere. Maybe I need to fine tune this. Okay, done. And let's start going after this. It's like I just go everywhere. This is awful. I don't like it. No, I just don't like it. It's just not, no, it's just not what I'm looking for. I'm going to change my sprayer a little bit here. No, this is not working for me. Let's try something different with my sprayer. Here we go. All right, we're going to try this again, but we're going to do something different. I'll be back. I think I need to retry this. Okay?